Where's the bird? The bird's back. The bird. Bird. Oh. That's hide. Now, oh, there he is. Bird. On the floor. Kevin, get out of here. Bird. Where's the bird? There's the bird. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Moo! Moo! Moo moo! Oh! Bah! Meh! Meh! Ooh, birdie. Meh! Trying to scare away the damn bird. Meh! You stay there. Is that poo poo? No, that ain't poo poo. Bird. Where's the bird? Better not be in the washer. Bird. No bird in here. Better close this door. Where the hell did the bird go? Oh. Hey, bird. Yeah, bird. No. There he is. There he is. Right there. He's hiding now. He's a real crazy bird. Kevin, shut up! Trying to get Jenny the bird. It's scary. At the house. Like Steve Irwin does. This bird's right behind there. Right behind these pots. Now, oh shit! There he went. Dashing off. Where'd he go now? Oh, he's up in the canopy. Oh, no, he's by the sink. God damn this bird. Oh, he's by the pot. He knocked over the cans. Run, birdie, run. Scare the bird.
Rar.
Flail your arms at it. Shut up. Make it run at it. Make it go someplace. Sandy, stay. No, out. Sandy, out. Sandy. God damn it. Oh, God. Is the bird out of that corner?
Yeah, it's out.
Where'd the bird go? Which way did it fly? Did it fly into the living room?
Yeah, flew into the living room.
Okay, where's the bird now?
Hope it's not.
Shh, shut up, you. Birdie. Oh, there's a bird. Okay. Here you go, buddy. Let's just lay out some bait. You seem like a hungry bird. Or an angry bird. A really angry bird. Birdie. Bird, you like Fruit Loops? Like Fruit Loops, bird? Come on, bird. You're like the toucan. He likes bird. Come on, bird. Come on. Oh. You stay there. Bone filled with Fruit Loops. Bird. Yeah, I'm gonna go throw this spirited away. Stupid bird. Gotta throw something with a bit more weight to it. Oh shit, that has stuff in it. Well, we'll piss it off, but not hurt it. Or destroy something. This well. Bird doesn't move for shit. Oh, where'd it go?
It went on the fan.
It's on the fan now.
What the? Now it's in the light.
In the light? Oh. Oh, shut up, Kevin. There we go. That scared it out. Turn on the ceiling fan. Scares it out.
That's awesome.
Shut up. Oh, this damn bird doesn't know anything. Okay, try this. You have to come in one way. Okay, go. Fly, bird. Kevin, shut up. There it is. Stupid bird. Come on. Do something with your life. Kevin, shut up. Move, Kevin. You stupid bird. Kevin, shut up.
Why?
Because I'm trying to scare away this bird. Bullseye. Got him with the pencil.
Oh, now just went in the kitchen.
You went in the kitchen again.
Now it's near the window.
The window. Get out that window, you stupid little bird. You know you want to. Kevin, shut up. He does the same thing over and over again. Oh, he's going outside. Come on, out the back door. No, not the back door. Get out the back door. Go, birdie. You're free. You're free. Stupid bird. Dumbass.